Guys, Toyota Corolla. Bali, ito yung gagawin natin ngayon. Ayun o, warning light niya. Ito yung kulay dilaw. Remove ta. Bali, ang model niya ito 2021 model. Yan. Ang lababas sa kanya is yung kanyang engine coolant bypass valve, circuit short to battery. Yan po yung sira niya. Kailangan natin palitan ng kanyang bypass valve, or check-in natin muna before natin palitan. I will update after finish. After race. Okay. Erase. Okay, we are racing. And then okay, no DTC. After a few seconds, babalik siya. Yan, okay na. Hindi siya mabura. Yan po yung problema niya, yung kanyang bypass valve. Yan, bali ito ipapalit natin engine coolant bypass valve yung bago, ito yung luma.